Hello everyone, this is Waleed with you again from VAUSNET, and today we are starting with software reviews and installation, and we'll give you a perspective today of new softwares. And today what we are selecting is a very smart, nifty and easy to use software for those who are actually searching for online keyboards, and that software is called Google Input Tools that you can find from filehorse.com. Google Input Tools is a very easy to use multi-language keyboard input tool that you can use as an extension. So what we'll do is we'll just download it, and I believe this is the download, free download. Google Input Tools, start download, allow. Okay, so this is the extension. Add to Chrome, very easy to use. Add the extension. Once it gets added over here, I'll click over here and it should be here. It's already there now, and this is the tool. Okay, so I'll just pin it to my screen, to my Chrome taskbar. Okay, there it is. So what I'll do, I'll click this extension options, then I'll select the language that I want to write, that I want to input on any forum, and I'll show you that also. So I'll take Arabic, not this one, I'll take the keyboard Arabic. Then I'll take my own language, Urdu, the typing. We've got three options. That's what transliteration. Now transliteration is not translation, but it actually transliterates the word for the voice output. So I'll take the keyboard, and then we'll go down and see what are the extension options and shortcuts. The shortcuts are very easy to use. I've already used this. To activate the extension, I'll say activate Control A. Select the next input tool, I'll say Control I for the next input tool. Revert to the last, we don't need that. Toggle from on and off. For that, what I'll do, Control Alt O. Okay, Alt Shift O. Alt Shift O to toggle from on and off. Now let's see how it works. I'll go and see online typing keyboard. Okay, online typing keyboard, and I'll select anything but best online version keyboard. Okay, we have this over here. So what I'll do, Control A, and from here I can select Urdu, and I'll also ask it to show the keyboard, and I can start writing. See, I don't have to actually get so very used to typing any other language, because it provides me with the input keyboard. I can switch between the keyboards, and what were the controls? Next input, Control I, Control I, Control I, and if I just look at this, now it is getting the input in Arabic because I used Control I. Now it's using Urdu. So it's a very useful it's a very useful input keyboard input software from Google that you can use to enable the keyboard without having the keyboard practice. I can write English very fluently, very eloquently using the keyboard, but I was totally unaware how to use the keys on Urdu. And now I can actually write it using this Google keyboard, Google Input tool, and this is a very nifty tool. Also, Transliteration, I haven't tried that, but I will actually surely try that as well. You should also try this Google input tool that is available for many languages. I'll say I want Deutsch keyboard. Okay, I can also start writing Deutsch. Okay, I can use Italian keyboard, also US International, and you can become the Italian mafia from here. You can start writing like the Italian mafia boss. So that is the tool in Google Input Tools. It's very useful. It's very nifty. It also provides Chinese tools as well, so it should be very easy for you to contact Chinese platforms and start writing using the Chinese keyboard. So people who are actually looking for freelancing work using typing, this tool can be very helpful for those people who are into data entry in various languages, because there are many jobs that are available for data entry and for transliteration, for translation, and for writing scripts in native languages. So this tool can be very helpful. Okay, so as you have seen, I can write it very easily. And let me get, now this is German. Hallo, ich bin Deutsch. Okay, Shift O, Shift O. Okay, it's using this keyboard, so I have to use this one, which is strange because this is Deutsch. It should be using this one. A. Okay, now it's using. Now it's using A, and France. Where is the Z? The Z is Französisch. Französisch. If I'm correct, I don't know. I've forgotten um, the German version of French. Französisch. It should have been Französisch. Okay. So this is how you can actually use. You'll have to get used to this keyboard. This is very useful. So I am actually loving it, and this will be a permanent part of my Chrome browser. It works quite well with the Chrome browser. So this was the Google input tool that can be very useful for various language input that you can use for freelancing jobs, for data entry, for translating from one language to another language using this Google input tool keyboard that you have. It's nifty, it's expert. You have to get used to it. I'm still actually getting used to it. Still not an expert, but I'll be trying it out every now and then. This is Walid from VAUSNET. We'll be back again. Subscribe and like this video if you really liked it, and we'll be back again with more of these softwares. Bye bye.